Hey there, drone fans. Today I'd like to try and answer we've gotten a couple of times last week from different viewers, and the more I think about it, we've gotten it a bunch of times over the summer. And it has to do with flying the DJI Flip in FPV mode. People want to know, can I fly my DJI Flip as an FPV? And the short answer is, sort of. And I'll qualify that now. So DJI has enabled a firmware that allows the Flip to use the motion controller in the goggles, so you really can't fly it like an FPV drone. But you can get a feeling for it by turning a few things on inside the controller. So what you can do is go into the settings by tapping the three dots in the top of the screen, and then you'll want to go to control, and on the control menu you'll find a setting for the gimbal mode. Now it can either be in follow mode or it can be in FPV mode. And if you put it in FPV mode, what happens is the gimbal locks that horizontal, so when you make banking turns like this, the drone actually looks like, sort of like an FPV drone. Now it's not a true FPV drone, but it gives you a feel of how the drone would fly if you were flying at FPV. So I'll show you how that works now. Let me start a screen recording real quick. And I've got it in FPV mode for the gimbal. Let me put the drone up. Oh yes, the propellers are checked. I love that it does that safety check every time. Props are spun up. Drone's up in the air. Let's take it down in the field a little bit. Here we go. All right, so you can see when I bank, because that gimbal is locked, it really does look like, in so many ways, that I've got that turning. So when I turn the drone, I've got that like banking, which you don't normally get on a camera drone, because the whole point of a camera drone is to keep that gimbal stabilized, so no matter what you do, no matter what kind of wind is hitting that drone and it's getting buffeted around in the air, it's going to keep a rock solid image of your recording or your picture. But in FPV mode, the software actually locks that horizontal pivot, and it will show you how that drone turns. So pretty cool. It's a lot of fun. It's always a lot of fun, but landing this thing, come on in here, buddy. Boy, this flip is just a ball to fly, fun to fly here. All right, let me put her down. Let's see if I can land this guy in this tiny little mat. This is not a standard size mat. I want credit for this if I land it. This is my backup mat to my real mat, because I forgot my real mat today. There we go, right on the H, come on down. Boom! All right. Okay, so I was off camera when I was landing that, but I just wanted to show you again that you can lock it in FPV mode, and it's not true FPV, but it gives you a feel for what FPV would be like. Now, I'm still hopeful that DJI is going to release firmware that allows me to use the motion controller in the goggles with this drone. They haven't done it yet, but I'm not surprised if they do, because DJI is one of those companies that constantly evolves a product. And I know they're going through some rough waters right now, but they're still releasing firmware updates for a lot of their drones. So fingers crossed that they're going to make that something we can fly FPV on this Flip drone. So that's hopefully all you needed for today. I really appreciate you viewing. I hope you got some value out of this clip. And until next time, as always, get out there and fly, and happy flying.